video, we're going to be looking at flapping around. It's a really fun piece that gets you flapping around like a bird with all the string crossings. First of all, let's talk about the structure of the piece. When you play it through, repeat the first section and ignore the bottom line. Once you've played the first section 2 times, move on to the next section on the following page. Play that through and after, go back and play the first section one more time until you reach the sign that looks like a hot cross bun. That sign means coda, which is Italian for ending. So you play the ending, which is the bottom line on the first page. Let's have a look at the rhythm in the first section. It's a good idea to put words to rhythm to help you remember them. I've chosen flapping around like a bird 3 times, followed by flying in the sky. Let's have a go at clapping the rhythm together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flapping around like a bird. Flapping around like a bird. Flapping around like a bird. Flying in the sky. Now we've said words to the rhythm, let's have a go at reading the notes, clapping the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, D, G, D, A, A, A. A, A, D, A, D, D, D. G, D, G, D, A, A, A. A, D, A, D, G. 2, 3, 4. This piece only uses open strings, so you don't need your left hand fingers. Hold the body of the instrument, it's a lot easier. Now there are lots of string crossings going on, so keep an eye on your right arm and this chicken wing-like motion. Your elbow is low for a high string and high up for a low string. This section is marked lively, so I don't think you need a lot of bow. Let's have a go at playing it through together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll now practice saying the notes and clapping the rhythm in the second section. It's always a good idea to break music up into sections, so let's just do the first line. You may have noticed that the first line and the third line are exactly the same. It's always a good idea to look for patterns in music. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 A, A, D, 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 G. Now let's have a look at the second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 A, D. And now the last line. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, D, A, E, A, 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 A. When you come to play it, you can do a circle bow or a retake in the rests, which makes sure you're on a down bow for each new line. This bit is marked legato, which is Italian for smooth. We can make it smooth by playing long bows and making sure the string crossings are really smooth. Let's have a go at playing it together after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now have a go at putting it all together with the backing track.